Look at this adorable little crochet star. And yes, you can make it in just 10 minutes. Perfect for your Christmas tree or any holiday decoration. This little crochet star is super easy and perfect for beginners. You're gonna do great. For this cute crochet star, I'm using a medium weight yarn, half cotton and half acrylic. But actually, any soft yarn you have on hand will work just fine. If you're ready to start, leave a comment with. I'll be working with a 2.5mm hook, but feel free to use the size that matches your yarn. Alright, if you're ready, let's begin making our little crochet star together. To begin our star, we'll make a magic ring, also called an adjustable loop. Chain 5, nice and even. This will form the center of your star. Into your magic ring, place 1 double crochet, just like that. Chain 1 and make another double crochet into the ring, keeping your stitches loose and smooth. Chain 1 and keep working your double crochets into the magic ring until you have 12 in total, nice and even around the circle. And remember, place 1 chain between every double crochet. It keeps the center of the star perfectly open. Chain 1 and then slip stitch into the 3rd chain from the start to close this round neatly. Chain 1, cut your yarn, and get your 2nd color ready. We'll start building more texture on our crochet star. What color are you using? Drop it in the comments. Attach your new color into any of the chain spaces around your circle, wherever it's comfortable for you. Chain 2, and into that same space, work 2 half double crochets. Now, yarn over and pull through all the loops on your hook, closing them together into a small cluster. Chain 2, move into the next chain space. Work 3 half double crochets into that space. Then yarn over and pull through all the loops on your hook, forming another neat little cluster. Chain 2, and repeat this little cluster in every chain space around. Chain 2, make your half double crochets, close them together, until you have 12 groups sitting side by side around your crochet star. When you reach the end of the round, chain 2, and slip stitch into the top of your very first cluster to finish this round neatly. Chain 1, cut your yarn, and now we'll switch to our 3rd color to add even more detail to this Christmas crochet decoration. Attach your new color into any chain space around your star, and we'll start building the next round of texture. Chain 2, and right into that same space, work 3 half double crochets. Then yarn over and pull through all the loops, forming another small cluster for your crochet star. Chain 3, move into the next chain space. Work 4 half double crochets, and then yarn over, pulling through all loops on your hook, creating a larger cluster for the star's next round. Chain 3, and repeat this exact process into every chain space all the way around. Cluster, chain 3, cluster, until your crochet star ornament begins to take shape. When you reach the end, chain 3, and slip stitch into the top of your very first cluster, and that completes this round. Chain 1, cut your yarn, and now switch back to your very first color to add the star's points. Join your yarn into any chain space, and chain 2 to get ready for the star's points. Into that same space, work 3 double crochets along with the chains you already made. This starts forming the point of your crochet Christmas star. Now add 1 treble crochet right into that same space. Chain 2. Then into the same space, work 1 treble crochet, followed by 3 double crochets. And that completes the first point of your crochet star ornament. Chain 1 and single crochet into the next chain space, just to anchor that star point nicely. Chain 1, and into the next chain space, work 3 double crochets, add 1 treble crochet, chain 2, another treble, and finish with 3 more double crochets, creating another point of your crochet star. If this beginner-friendly pattern is helping you so far, give this video a quick like. It really supports the channel. And by the way, if you're making your star in a Christmas color, drop a cute little Christmas tree in the comments. Chain 1, move into the next chain space, and place a single crochet right there to anchor the shape. Chain 1, and repeat this same point pattern in every chain space around your star. Each one of these chain spaces becomes a point of your beautiful crochet star, and it's already starting to look like a cute holiday decoration. When you get to the end of the round, chain 1, slip stitch into that very first chain, and that finishes this round nicely. Chain 1, cut your yarn, and switch back to the second color again to add more detail to your star. Attach your yarn into the top of any stitch from the previous round, whichever spot feels comfortable. Chain 1, and make single crochets across the tops of the stitches, working your way toward the next chain space. Into that chain space, make a single crochet, a half double crochet, chain 2, another half double crochet, and finish with a single crochet, creating a neat little corner for your crochet star. Across the next 4 stitches, place 1 single crochet in each, nice and even. And if you're enjoying this cozy little project, tap the like button. It helps so much. Now into each of these little chain spaces, make 2 single crochets on the right and 2 single crochets on the left. Then single crochet across the next 4 stitches, 1 in each, keeping everything smooth and even. Into that chain space again. Single crochet, half double crochet, chain 2, another half double crochet, and a single crochet, forming another point of your holiday star. Single crochet across each stitch, making your way to the next chain space. And here, make 2 single crochets into each chain space. So at each of these corner points, you should end up with 12 single crochets. That's what gives the star its full and rounded shape. And if you're crocheting along with me, drop a little Christmas tree in the comments. I love seeing your colors. If this beginner-friendly crochet star is turning out nicely for you, go ahead and tap the like button. It truly helps the channel grow. Repeat the same sequence in each chain space, working your way all around the star. When you reach the end, leave a tail long enough for the hanging loop. Cut your yarn and make an invisible join right into the first stitch. While making your little hanging loop, you can carry the yarn all the way up to the top point. It gives your crochet star ornament a much cleaner, polished look. if you plan to hang your crochet Christmas star on your tree, drop a little Christmas tree in the comments. I can't wait to see it. And just like that, your beautiful little crochet Christmas star is all done. You can also leave out the hanging loop and use your star as a cute little holiday coaster instead. And tell me, how will you use yours? As an ornament or a coaster? That's all for this little tutorial today. I hope you had fun crocheting with me. I hope this helped you make your own cozy little crochet star. You did an amazing job today. Before you go, please subscribe to my channel. Give this video a like and share it with your loved ones. See you in the next tutorial. Take care, my friends, and happy crocheting!